Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to solve a very common problem, which is to find nth highest salary. So let's get started. So first, I've already created this table, which is employees, which has 4 columns: employee ID, first name, last name, and salary. Employee ID is my primary key, which I have defined it, and then I have used some dummy values which I have added to this table called employees. Let's see the different values that we have in this table. Select star from table name. So our table name is employees. Let's run it. And yeah, so this is how our data looks like. See, now let's try to use a very general approach using which we can find the nth highest salary. This is one of the very common method of finding the nth highest salary. Let's use it. We have select, let's add distinct salary from employees. Let's order it by salary in descending order. This way the highest salary will come at the top, and then we are going to use offset function. So offset, this is a general formula which is n minus 1 rows, fetch next one row only, right? So what we have done over here is, it's very simple. You can replace n with the desired values for the nth highest salary. If you need the third highest salary, replace n with third. If you need 10th highest salary, replace n with 10. And if you are unaware of what offset is, let me explain offset and the fetch function. So offset n minus 1 is doing nothing but this is basically used to skip the first n minus 1 rows in the result set. It means that the query will start retrieving rows from the nth row onwards. For example, if n is 3, then offset 2 rows will skip the first 2 rows, right? And first fetch next one row only. This clause specifies that after skipping the initial n minus 1 rows, the query should fetch the next one row only, right? So this limits the result set to a single row. So that's how we have combined it together, and we are fetching the salary from using the select statement. So let's say now if we need third highest salary, let's run it, or let's say fourth highest salary for now. Let's run it. See, we have 60,000. So this is my first, is 75,000, 80,000 is my first, 75,000 is my second, 62,000 is my third, and 60,000 is my fourth, right? Now this method will fail if there are two values having, let's say there are two entries having same salary, right? Let's say employee ID 5 and 6, right? The salary is 62,000, 62,000, right? Now if we want to get this data, we are going to use dense rank, right? So this is your method 1. Now we will use method 2, which is dense rank. Let's use this approach now and then see how our data looks like. Let me comment it. Let me see the third highest value. See, it's 62,000. Now let me run it using dense rank. So the general query which you can use is very simple. Let's have it with ranked salaries as, this is done, select salary from employees table. This is done. How are we going to rank it, we are going to use tens rank. So tens rank and we are going to partition it by, so there is no need to partition it, now we can just order it by salary. That's done. We are going to save it, name it as salary, give it any alias, let's say in this case let's use salary underscore rank. So now what this query will do, this query will give rank to the salaries. Now what are we going to do now? It's very simple. We are going to simply select star from table name, which is our this, where salary rank is equal to n. N is your nth highest salary, whatever you want. So in this case, let me comment it. If I need the third highest salary, this is what I have. Let's run it. What's the error? Select star. Oh, sorry. This is the comma. Yeah. So now we have both the values, right? So this is something which was missing in the first method, but in the second method we have used tens rank, so we got both the rows, right? So you can try. If you have any other solution, you can post it. I hope you find the SQL problem session helpful. If you have any question or topics you would like me to cover in future videos, feel free to leave them in the comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.